What's up, guys? In this lesson I want to talk real quickly about inquiries. Many people, they're scared to death of inquiries, and I want you to understand a little bit more about inquiries, how they work, and what you need to know as far as how many you can have, how many you should have, and what to do if you get denied. So the idea behind an inquiry, guys, is very simple. Let's just say this is your current credit score, okay? What happens is when you apply for a new account, your score is going to drop a little bit. That is okay. It is necessary. I always say it's like planting a seed in order to grow a tree to produce fruit. You plant the seed a little bit below ground. That represents the inquiry. Typically, an inquiry is going to cost you 5 points. Only 5 points. But what happens is once you get that inquiry, you should get approved, and then you have an offsetting account. 2 inches below ground is now going to grow to 20 feet above ground. This is going to represent the credit account. Maybe it's in the form of a credit limit, okay? And then what happens is over the course of time, this will continue to grow. This will fall away. It doesn't hurt you. What does hurt you is when, let's say, you apply for something, okay, and you get denied, and there's no growth. Then you apply again, and you get denied, and there's no growth. And then you go to another bank or another car dealership and you apply again, and again there's no growth. This is what happens when you have no offsetting accounts here. You have basically just a bunch of holes. And what that means is that your credit score is getting walloped. So every time they see more and more accounts that have inquiries on them, or more and more inquiries with no offsetting accounts, banks and lenders start to think that you're desperate, and so that hurts your score more. Plus, less banks are going to approve you for anything that you're applying for. Whether it's for an auto loan, whether it's for a credit card, whether it's for a mortgage, they're not going to approve you, especially if you have a bunch of inquiries. I just had somebody today, I was working with one of their files, they had 17 inquiries. If you're watching this video, you know who you are, but that's okay. Listen, the reality is this, they're only going to stay there for 2 years. After 2 years, they fall off. They actually say after 1 year, that'll actually hurt you less. They're, like, the points hurt you for 1 year, but they stay on your credit profile for 2 years. So that's what you really need to know. So just realize, guys, it is important not to apply for more than 3 or 4 things in a 12-month period of time. When people are asking me in the beginning, when they're first starting to build credit, if you have a 700 credit score and like 1 or 2 cards and you want to plant a couple seeds real fast and early, you can go and get 2 or 3 cards in a matter of 3 to 6 months. Just make sure you never miss the sign-up bonus. That is one of the most important things for you to realize. But again, guys, if you apply for anything and you do not get approved, do not apply for anything else. That is when you want to set up a one-on-one consultation with me so that I can help you out. If you have any questions or comments on this, make sure you put them below. Make sure you put them in the program. Let's communicate, let's talk, let's help each other. The more that we grow together, the better we'll all live. So guys, it's really important. Make sure you start focusing on your credit and all the different factors. And if you have comments or questions that you don't know or understand, make sure to ask them so we can address them. Hope you have an awesome day.